Hello, welcome back. So today we're going to do our second reveal. Now just to catch up, we have dyed my hand Spanx one time with the Procyon dyes. It went from gross beige to gross greeny brown something. So we have re-dyed it with Procyon dye in sort of a turquoise color, and we did acid dye in a dark navy. So now we're going to see what we get and see which dye worked and what didn't. All right, that's dark. Oh, actually that's right. Now the acid dye needs to be heat set, so we're going to put this in here with some water just to cover it and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, maybe 2.5. Alrighty, so let's see how that goes. So I have just taken this out of the microwave, still steaming. So now we shall see what happened. What are we looking at here? So we rinse with cold. Okay. Well, I guess it's kind of navy. It's got a little bit of, well, you can see some different splotches there. All right, and now we wash it. Hot water, and this stuff is professional textile detergent. Again, I get it from Dharma. It is their version of Synthropol, and it works really great. And I just need a little, because it's so small, just a little blurb. Okay, that's probably good. All right, hot water. Okay, now we leave that to sit for about 10 minutes. Right. So this has been sitting for at least 10 minutes. I just really want to get this as washed out as possible. I don't want to get my hands blue from not getting this all out, and I don't want to get what I'm working on blue. Now I can rinse in cold. Want it to go till it runs clear, and I think we're getting there. Okay, so I'm going to go dry this, and I'm going to dry it with my iron, and I think it'll lighten up as it dries, so we'll go see what this actually looks like. So here we are, nice sun coming through. So I'm going to iron this, and I'm going to put it in the middle of this cloth so that if any dye comes out, it hopefully won't get on my ironing board, and it hopefully won't get on my iron. I also have it turned to no steam because we're trying to get rid of water, not add water. Let's get rid of some water on this side. So my hope is the iron can steam away water from the cotton, which is absorbing water from the hand Spanx. Hopefully I'm not overheating the nylon and ruining the hand Spanx, but we'll see. This is all an experiment, and it might be a really bad idea. So this was like a $10 thing. Don't do this with your like $70 orthopedic wrist brace or anything. Ooh, that's hot. Hot cha-cha. Still damp. And that's toasty. So I think I'm just going to let this kind of dry on its own, You can kind of see there is some splotchiness to it. Definitely the dark navy that worked better than the turquoise. So moving forward, nylon, we use the acid dyes, the animal fiber stuff. Alrighty, so I'll just let this sit and dry nicely, and then I will be able to use it. And it is definitely not as ugly as it was. Yay! Hi folks! So here's the thing. I've lived with the hand Spanx like this now for about a week, and nope, still not happy with it. One side is mostly navy, the other side mostly splotchy. So it's not consistent. If it was all splotchy, I might be okay with that. If it was all navy, I'd be okay with that. So final dye on this guy, and I'm gonna go for all navy. So to do that, I'm gonna be using the acid dyes, which I should have used all along. And if I had done this whole series on dyeing this, would have been about 5 minutes. But there we go. So, gonna get this ready. Okie dokie. First, we attempt to put on the gloves. Now, because we're not ice dyeing it, obviously, that means we do not need ice, so we don't have to fuck around with that, which is great. Although I think I have discovered the Cadbury secret to it, it's still good to not have to deal with that. Okay, acid dye means citric acid. And you may remember from last time that we don't need very much. So a little scoopage should do. All right, now I'm going to put in some of the dye. So this is acid wash in dark navy. And this should be plenty. Alrighty. Gonna just mix that up. Alrighty. Gonna put this guy in now. And I want to get it really, really soaked. And I'm going to put a little bit more water in just to make sure the whole thing's covered. Stay down. Get the bubbles out. See if adding more will help. Nope, it just wants to float. All right, fine, be that way. All right, so thankfully this stuff, you don't have to just let it sit for a day. You can just nuke it. So let's do that. 2.5 minutes seems to be the magic number. So there we go. I love that my microwave is happy. All right, let's see what we've got here. It didn't soak up all the dye, but that probably means that I put too much in. It's looking dark. Sure, I think I still see some more splotchies. Okay, I'm putting you back in again. Really think about what you've done. Okay, do it again. Ooh, I'm gonna put some more citric acid in, just in case that might help. Alrighty, let's try it again with more feeling this time. Alrighty, let's see what we have now. Cha-cha. That looks dark. And that looks dark. All right, let's give her a rinse. I don't see any splotchiness there or there. Hey, all right, looks good. All right, so we're done that. The hand Spanx is finished. It's just a dark navy. That's okay. Took us kind of a roundabout way to get there, but it's better than the gross beige yuck that it started. So, yay. So, a couple of takeaways. First of all, experimenting can be fun and it's good and you'll learn a bunch. Second takeaway is if I had done the minimal amount of research, I would have known that the acid dyes are for nylon. And this whole thing would have taken about 5 minutes. Good, bad, I don't know. Anyway, there it is. Thank you for joining me on this little journey of dyeing weirdness, and I hope you have a great day. Okay, bye. Hi folks, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like or subscribe, or both, or neither, whatever works for you. I hope that you might check out some other videos of mine that you might be interested in, and have a really great day. Thank you for joining me. Okay, bye.